Now we're going to learn a new way to import. Instead of just import date time, because we want to import date time instead of just time this time, we're going to use from date time, import date time. This is called selective importing. It's a more targeted approach. Instead of importing an entire module, we're importing just one specific function from that module. By doing this, we're loading only what we need. For our 4D simulator, we specifically need the datetime function to create precise timestamps, and we just don't need all of the rest of it. The datetime module is actually quite large. It contains several different classes and functions. There's the datetime class that we're importing, but there's also a date class for working with just dates without times, and a time class for working with just times without dates, and a time delta class for calculating differences between dates and times. It also includes things like time zone handling with the time zone class, formatting functions, parsing functions for converting strings to dates, and various constants and utilities. So just getting what we need out of it keeps our code focused and even prevents us from accidentally using functions we don't need.